if you do not already, I would encourage each and every single one of you to go onto your social media platform and follow the White House, the official White House page, blue check mark. Go to Instagram, follow the White House page. I've followed the White House page for years now, not because I'm really interested in what they have to say, but simply for the entertainment value, and it truly does not get any better than this. I believe it was earlier today when I first saw this post in my feed, and it's directly from the White House, and I'm going to go over what it says. This is what I saw. Blue check mark White House. This is what they're posting on social media. The caption at the top says, House Republicans' extreme budget proposals will endanger public safety by doing these things. And they have 4 things listed, 4 check-marked boxes. That House Republicans' extreme budget proposals will endanger public safety by jeopardizing air safety and increasing airport security wait times, slashing rail safety inspections, and the 2 best ones of all, defunding the police and making our borders less secure. It's frankly scary to realize how disconnected from reality the Biden administration is, but it's so far out there that it's almost laughable at this point. Making our border less secure. That ship has already sailed. That ship has already sailed and crashed and sunk to the bottom of the ocean. Okay, I don't understand how you can get less secure than completely wide open? We've already crossed that bridge. And now the Republicans are the extreme ones because they want to make our border less secure. Can it get any less secure than it already is? What is it that the Biden administration wants to do that's going to make it more secure? And what are the Republicans doing specifically to stop that from happening? The Biden administration, you cannot criticize the Republicans for doing this and saying no to your proposals when there has been a complete and utter lack of responsibility on behalf of you and your entire administration to do the job in the first place. So far, the Biden administration has shown roughly zero interest in solving the crisis at the border. And now it's extreme. The extreme Republicans are the ones standing in the way. Sure, whatever. Whatever you say. And then, of course, you have the defunding the police. This is exactly the message that the Democrats were trying to preach to us just a couple years ago. This is what the left wanted. This is what the Democratic Party wanted. It was all fine and dandy. It was all great. It was all wonderful. It was all politically correct to defund the police and reform everything and completely change the system, rebuild the system. All of that was great just a couple of years ago when the Democrats wanted to do it. But in this particular case, it's extremism on behalf of the Republicans to defund the police. It's how horrible of them. How terrible of them. What a horrible turn of events that the extreme Republicans are doing this. And if you go to the caption, the other caption at the bottom of the post, it says, President Biden's budget will improve public safety, strengthen border security, and improve the safety of our transportation networks. Extreme MAGA House Republicans are pushing draconian cuts to these critical national priorities that would endanger Americans' safety. So when the Republicans do it, they're extremists. When Republicans do it, they're extreme MAGA House Republicans. When Republicans do it, they're pushing draconian policies on everybody. But when the left wants to do it, when the Democrats want to do it, when the Democrats are completely fine and completely satisfied with leaving the border wide open, then it's okay. When the Democrats are satisfied with defunding the police, then it's okay. Because when they want to do it, it's politically correct. When the right wants to do it, it's extreme. Okay, what world are we living in? Like I said, it's almost laughable. It is laughable that it is so easy for the media has done it so much that they would just, anything they disagree with, well, it's extremism. Well, they're extremists, clearly. It's extremism on behalf of conservatives. It's extremism on behalf of the Republicans. Even when the left and the Democratic Party can push for the exact same things, and it's praised. This is the ultimate double standard. You can't make this stuff up, but you also can't take it seriously. Like I said, I am not really interested in what the White House puts out, but it is laughable. It is laughable, the double standard that is present.